Hi there, I just got off the phone with one of our members here who has been in business for 19 years. And one of the things we discussed is how she goes about solving challenges or thinking out a challenge in her business. And her strategy is very similar to mine. So I thought, you know what, I'm going to quickly share it here. And the little ninja hack that I use to solve a challenge or to think out a challenge or to find answers is to journal. So one of the first things I do when there is a challenge or when I have something that I need to think about is I get my journal out, and I have actually, I know it sounds a bit lame maybe, but I have a digital journal. So I just write it in my digital journal. I write down just whatever comes out without being super structured about it. I just write. And I might do this for a few days in a row until there is some sort of clarity. And sometimes there's clarity and sometimes there is not. But most often than not, there is clarity. And the cool thing about doing the journaling is that it's almost like thinking out your thoughts, and it's almost like talking to someone without them having an opinion or without them sort of judging you. And I find that really, really helpful. And then I asked Julia over there, who runs our agency, what her strategy is, and she's also a journaler.
I am also a journaler. I find it super helpful myself, and it also helps with creativity. So just to get the juices flowing, and for me personally, I use a pen because it keeps me connected to that paper and to what's going on there that I might not even know yet. So
I love that.
That's the process for me.
Yeah.
And I love doing it. It's super helpful.
I agree. And definitely the pen and paper sort of approach is definitely still also working too. And I wonder what Rosie does when she feels a little bit challenged. She sort of just sleeps. I think that's another way to go about. There's Christo coming into the office and posting this video. Yay! All right, that is the tip for today. Now, if you have any questions for us, or if you have any favorite ways of solving a challenge, please share it with us too. We love hearing from you always. Thanks so much for tuning in, and see you next time.